So this is how to wire transfer using Bank of America. For the first step, log into your mobile banking app. So before you get started, you need to gather these recipients information like the name, the address, the wire routing number, the bank account number, the account type, and if you're not enrolled in secure transfer, you'll also need your debit card number and PIN. For the next step, make sure to select pay and transfer to get started. After that, you need to tap wire, and then if you have both banking and investing accounts, select the account you want to send the wire from. For the next step, tap start a wire to initiate the wire transfer. After that, if you're sending money to a recipient for the first time, you'll need to add their account. Tap add new recipient. If you're sending to an existing recipient, select your recipient. So for a domestic recipient, including recipients in the US territories, tap United States, then tap next. Now select recipient account type, then tap next. After that, add recipient's information. To choose state, select from the menu. Once all details are entered, tap next. Once done, add the recipient's account details and routing number. So be sure to enter the receiving bank's wire routing number. After that, tap next. Now confirm the details for your recipient, and then be sure to scroll down to review all details. After that, tap add. Now review the important scam reminder and tap OK. Now that your domestic recipient has been added, tap choose account to select the account from which you want to transfer money. After that, select your wire from account for the transfer and then tap next. Now tap enter amount, then enter the amount you want to send and then tap next. Scroll down to review the total cost for the wire transfer including wire fee. Add optional notes for the recipient's bank if desired and then tap next. If you haven't already, you may be required to enroll in secure transfer to send your wire. So to get started, add your US mobile number and tap next. Now you will receive a text message with an authorization code to complete enrollment. So enter your authorization code, then add your ATM debit card details and then tap add number to complete the enrollment. You will receive confirmation that your mobile number is enrolled. So tap continue to proceed with your domestic wire transfer. Now before sending the wire transfer, make sure to review the wire details. So be sure to expand the fields and scroll down to the screen to confirm all details and then tap edit at the bottom of the screen if you need to modify any details. After you've confirmed all details are correct, make sure to tap the circle to authorize the payment and then tap send to submit the wire transfer. You'll see the confirmation that your wire transfer has been submitted. So tap share to save and share a recipient. Tap done to exit the wire screen. You'll receive email confirmation. Now your wire transfer will appear in the activity screen where you can view the status and details. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and see you on the next one.